Hello, everyone. Welcome to the UltFone channel. Has your iPhone encountered a puzzling problem where the screen suddenly turns green? Although this issue is frustrating, it is usually caused by a minor system glitch or display compatibility problem. In today's video, I will help you solve this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset all settings. If your iPhone screen displays a slight green tint, the first step is to reset all settings. This can resolve issues caused by incorrect system configurations. Open the Settings app, go to General, then select Reset, and choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your photos or applications, it only restores system preferences. After restarting the device, the green tint should disappear. If your screen is completely green and unresponsive, try the following method. Method 2. Force Restart iPhone. If the display is completely green and unresponsive, preventing any operation, you need to force restart. First, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This operation will restart the iPhone, and the green screen usually disappears afterwards. But if the problem is still not resolved, it is recommended to use a computer to repair the iPhone. Method 3. Use iTunes to repair iPhone. First, you need to connect the device to the computer. Similar to a forced restart, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until it enters recovery mode. Then open iTunes, which will recognize that your phone is in recovery mode and prompt you to update or restore. Choose Update to reinstall the system. However, using iTunes may take a long time or encounter errors. If an error occurs or you do not want to use iTunes to restore the phone, I strongly recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair for system repair. Method 4. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a professional iOS repair tool loved by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues and offers one-click backup and restore features to protect your data. I have provided the download link in the description. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and enter recovery mode by pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open UltFone iOS System Repair, select Start Repair, choose Standard Repair, and download the firmware. Once the firmware has finished downloading, click Start Standard Repair. This process usually takes about 10 minutes, after which the device will restart and your iPhone will return to normal, successfully resolving the green screen issue. Method 5. Contact Apple Support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple Support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. That's today's tutorial. I hope these methods can help you fix the iPhone green screen issue. If these tips are helpful to you, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.